Hi guys, this is Dr. Aisha, International Clinical Research Specialist and Product Specialist for Sika. So, ito pong Sika, let me just give an overview po. I started using this also, hindi lang po ito as clinical research but also as my personal testimony. I had my problem way back March 26, 2023 wherein nagkaroon po ako ng paralysis on the right side. So, it was so difficult and ang sabi nila, it will be a permanent damage. But by God's grace and by the mercy of God, nakatulong po ng malaki ang Sika on the duration of my recovery. Kasi every time na napapagod ako or stress out, nagkakaroon po ng stiffness at asymmetric, hindi pa pantay yung face ko. But after using Sika, I get better sleep, naayos po yung symmetry, na yung pitik-pitik ng nerves, naramdaman ko until na bumalik siya doon sa talagang dapat niyang symmetry. So, as I went over the product po of Sika, it is basically helping a lot. Sa dami po ng mga supplements na out in the market, marami pong lumalabas na mga bagong innovation. But this is something that is unique because it's the first time that we have a supplement that is all natural using a high technology from Switzerland. And alam naman po natin when we're talking of the technology, we're already talking about the stem cell of the plant base. So ano po ba yung meron ang Sika? Number one is ang Sika po ay may Timot pepper plus MCT. What is MCT? That is medium chain triglyceride. So Timot pepper po, basically ang alam po natin sa Timot pepper is just a grapefruit. But that grapefruit po, pagka ginamit po natin dyan, it's just a typical extract. When we say Timot pepper plus MCT, it's already a combination of the stem cell of the Timot pepper. So, hinimay-himay po yan. Kumbaga, ang pinaka-potent part po ng Timot pepper and combined with the medium chain triglyceride which acts as the fuel of our brain. So, yan po yung research that happened way back, I think, more than a decade ago na yung medium chain triglyceride, yes, it's fat, but it is the good fat that our body needs, specifically the brain. So, it acts on the brain combined with Malus domestica, which came from Rosaceae family. Rosaceae family is the green apple po, yung ginagamit po natin na green apple. Bakit green apple? Kasi basically on the research po of the 72 species, ito pong green apple po na to, ito po yung meron siyang capacity to heal itself. So yan po yung hinimay-himay po yan through clinical research for many years po and has been publicly published doon po sa mga journals po of medicines and nutraceuticals. So, this apple stem cell or Malus domestica contains more than 42 bioactive ingredients which helps us from head to toe po. So, basically, kinumbine pa yan with the Timot pepper. And lastly, we have the so-called po Biozyme. Biozyme is the PPE plus enzyme po natin yan, di ba? So, PPE po natin means prebiotic, probiotic, enzymes, and kaya po siya tinawag na Biozyme. Prebiotic is the food of the probiotic. Then, probiotic is the good bacteria po, yung atin pong 120 to 150 billion CFU na pumapasok na good bacteria to help combat diseases and boost the immune system of our gut. Kasi everything begins with the gut. So, pag pinag-combine po yung prebiotic and probiotic, that is the postbiotic. Kadalasan po, ang aware po tayo is hanggang probiotic lang po. The good thing with this technology that we have with Sika, there is enzyme. So, ibig sabihin, it's not just putting in this good bacteria, but it also helps in the metabolic process po. Yung metabolismo, pinakailaman niya through the proper digestion and usage of our carbohydrates, protein, and ang atin pong fats. Siyempre, in excess of the carbohydrates, doon po nagsisimula ang diabetes. In excess of fats, yung cardiovascular diseases like hypertension and yung mga deposits po sa blood vessels natin. And thirdly po, pagka hindi na-synthesize properly ang protein natin, dun po nagkaka-problem sa kidney natin. So basically, it's helping our organs po, di ba? And added to that, there is also the berries, the blackberry, which is good for our hormones. And one thing that is also good, nadagdagan po ang sika ng magnesium. It was found in different studies po that magnesium is very essential in human health. So ang magnesium po, it helps in the brain, tumutulong po sa ugat, sa transport mechanism ng nutrients po natin, and most of all, stress relief po natin. So medyo nagpaparelax po sa atin. It's the mineral that is included to that. Then nilagyan pa po ng ating acai berry. Acai berry is very good. It's the #1 berry po that helps our body to detoxify. It's good for the liver. Plus the vitamin C, of course, to boost the immune system. So basically, as a recap, we have the timot pepper with the medium chain triglyceride, which is good for the brain. We have the apple stem cell that is protecting our cells and our essential organs, yung mga body parts po natin. Then we have yung biozyme po natin for our gut. Then we have the acai berry for our liver, and then we have the blackberry for our hormones. Kasi nabubuhay po tayo sa hormones. Hindi pwedeng walang hormones kasi yan po ang nagbabalance ng ating katawan. And then we have the vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. So basically, going through the ingredients of our Sika, Sika Plus, yung sinasabi po natin. So Sika is not just dealing with the brain or a single organ. Hindi lang po siya typical antioxidant like any other supplements in the market na sometimes we just tend to boost and boost but we fail to balance. So, ang healing process po ng tao, ang tinatawag po natin na self-healing, yan po ay kung ma-maintain natin yung homeostasis at mababalanse ang mga main organs po ng katawan natin. So basically, Sika is holistic, it is safe to take, and wala tayong mga mega dosing or anything. Why? Because you are only taking it 1 capsule at bedtime. It will help you go to sleep, to have a good sleep, because when you're sleeping, it's the best time for your cells to repair. So this is the innovation, the latest innovation, the latest research when we're talking about naturals and supplementation. So basically, this is highly recommended for everyone. It will be good for your health from any ages po, specifically for those people who are suffering from chronic illnesses. This will help a lot. Thank you!